What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Lean and Mean Academy. Today we are on site here at a house wash, a 1950s style home. Got some decent canopy, some decent algae. I'm going to be showing you guys today exactly how I clean this. You're really just going to get to watch me clean. I'm not going to go super in depth into all of the stuff, okay? But wanted to make sure that you guys understand. Look, some of these guys, you got a lot of like cobwebs, as you can see, just cobweb. Nashville's got like a little cobweb situation, man. Like spiders have come on strong in the past like 2 to 3 years, it seems. A lot of my house washes are just to remove the exterior dirt and to remove the cobwebs. That is one of their main concerns, okay? We're gonna jump into some GoPro footage here in a second, but before we do, if you're looking to get your business started off on the right foot, better yet, launch your business ahead of all the competition in your area, if you're just getting started from 0 to 7,000 a month, kind of that range, you're looking to, like I said, market properly, understand some chems, understand the structural layout of what your marketing should look like in order to maintain lean process, to maintain profitability to where you don't overextend yourself. Go ahead and click the first link in the description. It will take you to the 0 to 7K local domination blueprint that I teamed up with Justin Rogers from Forever Self-Employed. We basically built this thing. Over 500 people in the world got it right now. You should get it too. It will also be the first link in the comments as well. So I'd love to see you in there. Let's get started. That's a deal. To get started in the pressure washing business. What's up, guys? Aaron here with the Lean and Mean Academy. Welcome back.
3, 2, 1.
Thing that we're trained inside of our minds subconsciously. Look at that. Number one.
Hey! Hey! What are you doing, man?
All right. So we just did our first treatment of this side. Mainly the vinyl and the cobwebs. He wasn't really concerned with the brick or the stone. This is a repeat customer that I've been servicing probably since 2017. Okay, so he calls me back, you know, all the time. Just a guy who likes to keep his place pretty clean. And as you see, we're gonna let this dwell for a second here, and we're gonna get to rinsing. I wish I had my X-Jet, by God. Okay, so he and his puppy were out back when I first got here, and they went for a walk. I didn't know if the dog would bite, so I didn't go back there and hook up the water. So ran out of water, hooked up now, refilling. I've already pre-treated this, but make sure that you ask the customer if they have any questions or concerns beforehand, because he has, you can't see it here, but he has glued this shutter back together and obviously repainted it. And that was his main concern, is that not to put high pressure on this shutter right here. So we always want to make sure that we take that stuff into account. Everything's pre-treated. We should be good to go. What up, guys? So we have finished here. The house is looking beautiful. Oxidization a little bit on these gutters. I don't do oxidization removal anymore, but if I were going to, you could definitely put some chems on there and brush that off. This is a repeat customer, and I know he's gonna be stoked. Hey, if you love this video, make sure you smash that like button for me. Help me out with that YouTube algorithm. And hey, comment lean in the description below, and I'll hashtag you a big 1950, okay, for this beautiful 1950s home here on the east side. Hey, make sure to smash that subscribe button for me, and I'll see you guys in the next video.